Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the official YouTube channel of Kalparuksha classes where we follow step-by-step process to build the concepts of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Our area of working is like from ninth standard to 12th standard. Me and my wife, we co-founded this Kalparuksha classes where we are following step-by-step process to build all these concepts. Usually lots of inquiries come for 8th standard also, but right now we are not into this 8th standard. I don't think we'll be able to do this. I'll explain you the reason and what are the thoughts what I have on the ongoing education in Mudol. So from ninth standard to 12th standard, why we have chosen this is, I mean, right now I am a student of a Navodaya school. I mean, in Navodaya school, how it was, the things were like, that is a CBSE school. Everybody must be knowing that. The person who is teaching, for example, if someone is teaching physics, for the 11th standard people, so and for the 12th standard students, I mean 11th and 12th together they teach physics, right? The same person will be teaching for ninth and 10th also, but in a state board those kind of things were not there. But under new education policy, new education policy, they are bringing all these changes to combine these ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. That's why from Kalparuksha classes we have chosen this field from ninth standard to 12th standard, so we are handling classes. Now, the one more reason I never thought of this NEP and all. The thing which interested me and which has created interest in me is that the concept, which are there in ninth standard, all physics, chemistry, and biology concept, whatever are there in ninth standard, they are going to be repeated for 11th standard on a large scale. On a large scale, these ninth standard topics will come to 11th standard, and whatever 10th standard topics are there, they will be repeated for 12th standard on a large scale. I mean, same thing. This is like a full package. I mean, you do a degree, right, after 12th standard, that is like 3 years or 4 years. So these 4 years are complete package to crack your national level competitions like NEET, JEA, CET, and all. I mean, NEET and JEA, they are like national level competitions, and we have so many called JIPMER also. There is someone called JIPMER for medical entrance, and we have AFMC. Actually, many students are unaware of all these things. Every year we try to make the students aware of this Armed Force Medical College and all these, I mean, courses. I mean, for medical entrance and for this engineering entrance into premier institutions. Then we give coaching for CET also. Then actually the demand is very less. I mean, demand as in Mudod we can see whenever the board results come, after the board results, immediately there will be lots and lots of banner. Whenever board results are out, no, lots and lots of banner will come into the market everywhere, lots and lots of advertisement. But when we have these competition results, for example, NEET results are there, CET result are there, and we have this JEA result. Nobody knows also. Many of the, I mean, parents or maybe students or institutions also, they are unaware of all this. They're unaware. They're just doing branding for this board examination results and all. Because the thing is like, dear children, what I want to impress upon you is that so if you're not getting trained in your ninth standard with the foundation course, then definitely 11th will be very difficult. Along with that, if 10th standard, if you don't have proper foundation, when I say foundation, the foundation is like not only of your syllabus, you should be having idea of the other things also, which we cover in Kalparaksha classes. We go very deep into the subject, the textbook things, as well as the things what you are supposed to know being there in 10th standard. So those things will be very helpful for even 12th standard. So this is like a 4 years package. So our dream is like, whenever a child enters 8th standard, for example, not 8th standard, 8th standard is not our target, I already told you. But what are the, I mean, targets for this 8th standard? We need to understand that. Now the targets up to 8th standard, no, now these targets cannot be just fixed in this small box. They cannot be fitted. So I'll write the targets for 8th standard. 8th standard targets are like, it is like collection of ingredients, no. Up to 8th standard, it is like collection of ingredients. You should know all fundamentals. Collection of ingredients, all ingredients should be collected. For example, if you want to cook something, If you want to cook something, what happens? I mean, you need to collect some ingredients. No, for example, if you want to make paneer butter masala, you are supposed to collect paneer, butter, then paneer butter masala, and you some onions, some tomatoes. I mean, all like that. I mean, so many things are there. No, so collection of ingredients is like up to 8th standard. You have to collect everything up to 8th standard, about everything, about the subject, about mathematical skills and all. So up to 8th standard, it is like collection of ingredients. Now, when you come to ninth standard, no, dear children, this video is for parents also. When you come to ninth standard, in ninth standard, it is like learning to cook in home. What is that ninth standard target? Learning to cook in home. Yes, learning to cook in home. All right. Okay. Now ingredients are collected. Now with those ingredients, whatever you have collected, now you learn to cook in home. I mean, you can make experiments. No, now if you are learning to cook in home means you can always do all experiments and all right, are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So this ninth standard, whatever it is there, no, so that is like learning to cook in home. So that is a target for ninth standard. That means you have to go, I mean, here the topics will start from ninth standard, the real topics will start. Now when you come to this 10th standard, whenever you are in 10th standard, no, it is like some guest has arrived, some guest has come to your home. Okay, guests have arrived to your home. Now you have to cook for them. Now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to cook for them. Now look at this. I mean, there is a, I mean, complete shift. No, maybe small shift is there, but still there is a shift. That guest has come. Initially no one was there, you are learning to cook and you were only eating, you are enjoying that. Now guests have come. Now you have a little bit I won't say pressure, and you have a little bit more responsibility on you, those who have arrived, to cook good for them. Is that clear? So that is like task of 10th standard. All right, that is a target for your 10th standard. You have to be very thorough in your topics and all. Okay, you have learned here, no, so you have to make use of that. So this is your first exam, as in first public exam, the main examination, where you are going to be evaluated for the first time. Now as per the policies and all, everybody get passed up to 9th standard, no, so we don't bother much about that. Then we have a 11th class. No, 11th class, do you know, do you understand, dear children? 11th class is like biggest shift in Indian education system. Now this is first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. After this 10th, if you are coming to 11th, means it is like a biggest shift. It is going to be a very big leap. You are going to take a big jump here. Now here only people get afraid, students get afraid, because after 10th standard, when they complete their 10th standard, no, I mean, they feel like it is end of the world. Now they have achieved everything and they have nothing to do now. Actually real journey starts here. Real journey of learning the which career you are going to choose, and how the things will turn for you. Real journey turns after 10th standard. So you should not be wasting your I mean, after 10th standard, all the precious 3 months, 2.5 no 3 months you get, no, you should not be wasting all those months. You should be taking benefit of those 3 months. You should be joining for bridge courses. Usually colleges conduct bridge courses, and I mean, in that bridge courses, they won't enable, I mean, they will give some fake motivational speeches, which are not going to just, I mean, encourage you. I mean, they will encourage you, they will motivate you, but not subject wise. So subject wise, from Kalparaksha classes, we provide differentiation classes just for 15 days. Differentiation, fundamentals of differentiation. Then we conduct a class of integration. Differentiation and integration, they are like calculus, no, together. So if anybody, those who have learned, they must be understanding this. Then we conduct classes for vectors, basics of vectors, which will be there in 11th standard as well as 12th standard. To learn physics, vectors are must. Okay, then we talk about dimension formulae. We talk about dimensions. Yes or no? So dimensions, all fundamentals. So many questions will be there in national level competitions and state level competitions from dimensions also. Then we talk about units. Okay, we talk about measurements. Yes, we talk about science and technology, all fundamentals. I mean, till the time you enter into your 11th standard, you must be having idea of all these things. If you have got idea of all these things, then whatever 11th standard journey is there, no, your 11th standard journey, it becomes very smooth, dear children. I hope you are understanding. So 11th standard, the target for 11th standard is like, it is like learning to cook in restaurants. What is 11th standard target? It is learning to cook. Learning to cook in restaurants. Yes or no? Now in restaurant style, there must be something, right? I mean, in restaurants you are supposed to cook in a particular way, right? So learning to cook in restaurants is the target for 11th standard. Now you can do lots and lots of experiment. Now you are not supposed to serve any customer. You are learning there for 11th class. So that means all fundamentals you are clearing. You are getting into the mode of hard work. You have to be a beast in hard working. Yes or no? Then only you can achieve the goals what you have set for yourself. Okay, then 11th class. Then after that, the target for 12th class is like the target for his 12th class is like now in your restaurant customers have arrived already, customers have come. For those customers you have to serve the food. You have to serve the food. Will the customer wait for hours together? No, they will just say they will order and get us in 10 minutes or get us in 15 minutes, like that they say. No, so that's why 12th class is like it's all about quick, how quick you are. Yes, how, I mean, precision, or what is the precision level, all that you have to very very quick in 12th standard. So this is like a journey of all 8th standard to 12th standard, right? So all this journey has to be brought forward. We have this infinite board, we keep on explaining, and wherever we want we zoom in and we zoom out and we explain. So basically what are my thoughts is like up to 8th standard, whatever up to 8th, whatever you are doing, that is like ingredient collection, I told you already, up to 8th standard. Then 9th standard is like learning to cook in home. There is no much risk. Okay, you can learn, you can make mistakes and you can learn. And 10th standard, some guests have arrived and you are cooking for them. They will wait for hours together. Yes or no? 1 hour if you say, they will wait, no problem. If some problem is there, then also they will adjust, they will appreciate you in 10th standard. 11th standard is like learning to cook in restaurants, right? So there also you are you can make mistakes, but you have to be very precise in learning all those skills. In 12th standard directly you have to, I mean, serve it to customers, no? So it's a, I mean, big shift from 9th standard to 12th standard. So this is how your journey should be there. And up to 8th standard you should be collecting good ingredients, no? You should be collecting good onions, tomatoes, all paneer butter masala, good butter, so that all your journey of this 9th standard to 12th standard, whatever journey is there, no, to make this journey very beautiful, you have to be collecting good ingredients up to 8th standard. The meaning of collecting good ingredients up to 8th standard is like to clear all your fundamentals. In up to 8th standard you have to be clearing all your fundamentals. I hope this video is very very clear to all of you, to in understanding my views from Kalparuksha classes on this 8th standard to 12th standard, whatever targets we can set and all. So this targets column I have just made it, but these targets cannot be set here. According to the targets what we have set, we are working from 9th standard to 12th standard, and we'll keep on doing that, and we'll try to have the foundation courses for 8th standard also, where we can build the concepts. So that's it from this video. I hope you got a little bit idea about how things work in Kalparuksha classes. This is our ideas. I mean, these are our ideas, and we'll keep on implementing them. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos on education, I mean, we'll keep on providing all these videos, and try to watch these videos in high quality. High quality as in YouTube there will be one setting of quality, right? So if you don't know, just, I mean, let me show it to you. Show it to you. You must be aware of that. I mean, for example, we have any video here, no? Actually I turned off this, I mean, data is not on. I have turned on this aeroplane mode, so that there won't be any disturbance for me to make this video. Okay, all right. So all of you please take care, and if any video you want on education and all, I mean, we make so many videos on I mean, this 9th standard to 12th standard physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, all videos we make. So we'll keep on making those videos, and you, I mean, get connected with our Kalparuksha classes official channel and get benefited. If you want any specific topic, please feel free to comment that. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.